Alright, I'm going to go over how to create your featured slider. So by now I assume you've gone over the home page, have your home page set up, and you have a big box up here, and that's where the slider is going to go. So the way we create this slider is via the Revolution slider. So if we go under there, we can go ahead and import the slider is the easiest way. Of course you can create a new one or as well, but let's go and import a slider. We're going to browse our files. Your download should look like this. We're going to go under additional files and slider imports, and we'll select home-slider.zip. So let's open that, click import. It should be really quick as far as loading, and you get your slider. You can just copy this shortcode right here, and let's go back to our home page. We'll edit that home page and scroll down under page settings. There's only one option, it's homepage slider insert slider shortcode. That's the slide shortcode we just grabbed. We can update the page, and now when we view our home page, you've got your slider. So it's really easy. You have all three slides up there, just like the live preview. Of course, you can go under the slider, edit these slides now, add in your own content, add in your own images. It's all very easy. You just edit the slide, and then you can see all the layers down here. Click on each one, and you can see the different text that shows up. You can add the style if you want, all sorts of good stuff like that. You can change the image if you want. And then this is just a quick preview right here of what it actually looks like. And then you can go through all the slides and do the same, add more. It's all very easy to do that. I assume it really depends on if you've used Revolution Slider before. It's a pretty easy slider once you've picked it up. But we do include detailed documentation of the slider under additional files. There's this Revolution Slider folder. And inside the Revolution Slider folder, you can find documentation. And inside that documentation, you can look up all the details on the slider. And the other great thing is that under that same folder, there's additional examples. So, for instance, we can go ahead and import and go under that file now under Revolution Slider, under examples, and you can upload examples as well. And if it's your first time, I'd go and just upload all these examples, and you can play around with them. For instance, let's go and just copy this shortcode and add this to our home page. Update it, and then you can see a completely different slider that is uploaded right there. And then again, under Revolution Slider is where you're going to have control over all of the slider options. So that's going to cover how to set up the homepage slider.